Hi, and I'm gonna show you how to braid your natural hair forward, especially in the back. But I'm just gonna show you this one. It took me a while of practicing to actually be able to do it, so I'm still not so perfect in it, but I'll show you how you can do it if you have no way to do it. So what usually happens is that's just shine and jam, just hair cream. So what usually happens is you pick a part. It's quite hard to explain, but it's more of just watch. So when you pick apart, your hand is like this, isn't it? So you put it into three, cut it into three parts like you usually do when you want to start a braid, like so it's like this. But instead you're using your middle finger. So it's like this, and then like this, and then like this, and then just keep doing it, and you see your braid coming out well. I mean, coming out like a braid, like a cornrow, sorry. And like, you just have to practice. So it's this middle finger going into the hair, and then this middle finger digging into the hair, and that's how to do. So I'm gonna do it again, so with this part of the hair this time. So I like to just moisturize, and my hair is quite dry, so let's just come to, it's very dry, you can hear the sound like, so we'll start again. So see, so this one is really too tiny, so you do this, your middle finger digging under the hair, and then it's the middle finger digging under the hair. That's what I'm saying, my hair is dry. So with this method you can braid any hair in any angle, any style, whatever, whatsoever. So that's just how you braid your hair forward.